So I went to the barber shop, got hooked up, and then I came home and curled my hair one of those days, and then we're gonna make our way to Famous Days, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. All right? We'll see y'all at the restaurant. Okay, so we made it to Famous Days.
Yes, we did. I'm finna pig out. Too sweet for you?
No, you know nothing is.
It ain't
The only
sweet.
thing too sweet for me is what's those donuts?
The ones you ate. Krispy Kreme.
Krispy Kreme donuts are so sweet. I can't handle it. Music copyright issues.
Good day. You ain't crying.
Well, you got here. They just you got here early enough.
I went to her because somebody over there ate when you leave mine. They must have
You look like a family.
and the couple just left out of here. Almost.
Yes, 11:51. Place. So we made it back, good and full. Of course, we brought back some of our food, and it wasn't much on the plate, but I just really get full really quickly. But I'm about to get ready to go to work. So I made it to the salon, and let's kind of get things together before I start to work. And that's what I'm gonna do. Get some stuff going, like turn the heat up and get ready. You know, 69 on the heat is good, but clients be saying it cold, so 70, that's like the best I can do because I start sweating. And if you want a good hairdo, don't let me get hot. Don't want me to get hot. So, I'm gonna do better with recording here at work. Recording here at work, but I gotta get a tripod and start recording a little more on the JOB. Let me get situated because I can't hold this and do that, and I'll get back with you. Thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget, comment, rate, and subscribe. Until next time.